Hey there, what's up and welcome to another video. In this one I just want to show you how you can get paid to play some of the most popular games in the world. And no, you do not need to record yourself while doing that, so you do not need to be a YouTuber or stream anything on Twitch. So the point is, you do not need to record yourself while playing the game. You just need to play the game and you will get paid for doing that. So these websites will pay you to just play the game, and yes, you can play some of the most popular games in the world and still get paid for doing that. So this is for sure going to be one of the easiest and one of the most fun ways to make money online. Today I'm gonna share with you 3 different ways and 3 different websites that are going to pay you just to play video games, and some of these websites are even going to pay you through PayPal, and I just know that a lot of you guys are PayPal fans, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And bear in mind that some of the websites will pay you a little bit less, and some of the websites will pay you a little bit more, and some of the websites will be a little bit easier to use, and some of the websites will be a little bit harder. So I'm gonna share with you 3 different websites, and you want to stay tuned all the way to the end of the video so you will decide what fits the best to you and which one will make you the most money, and so you can know exactly how to do this. So definitely be sure to stay tuned until the end. And if you're interested into making money online, then definitely consider subscribing to this channel and hit the bell icon, because I'm posting a lot of different videos and a lot of different ways you can make money online. So if you need money and you want to make it from the comfort of your home, then definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon. And with all of that being said and done, let's dive into the content so I can show you how you can make money online just by playing video games. Okay, we're now inside of my computer, and before I show you the main platform which you can use to make money online by playing some of the most popular games in the world, let's first take a look at 2 different websites that will pay you just to play their mobile games. So these first 2 apps are going to be the easiest ones to use, and you can even just do it on your phone. So maybe when you're bored or in quarantine or waiting in line, just pull up your phone, press the play button, have fun, and make some extra income. It won't be a lot, so it's not gonna be any life-changing income, but it's not bad for playing mobile games for absolutely free. Anyways, the first one is gonna be Cash Pirate. This app is available for both iOS and Android, which is really great because now both sides are gonna be satisfied, both Android and iOS. And one thing I really love about this app, about the Cash Pirate, is that it will sometimes offer you paid games for free. So games which you would normally need to pay to play, but now not only will you get them for absolutely free, but they will also pay you real money for playing them. On top of that, they do pay through PayPal, so once you collect enough points, you can cash out and get real PayPal money. Or if you don't want to use PayPal, or maybe PayPal is not available in your country, then don't worry, because you also have many different payment options, including Visa and Bitcoin, or many other gift cards which you can spend online. So your options are limitless with Cash Pirate. You can choose how you want to get paid. You can choose which game you want to play. You can use both iOS and Android, and it's all absolutely free. No investment needed, which is super great, and it's super important that you do not need to invest any money to actually make some real cash, and that's why I really love Cash Pirate. But I have even better options for those that stick around until the end of this video. And needless to say, but playing games is just one of the ways you can make money with Cash Pirate. You can also complete surveys which I don't really recommend. You can do it if you want to, but I don't really recommend it because that takes some time and it can be boring. But you can also just watch videos inside of the app and you're gonna get paid for doing that as well. So when you get tired of playing games, just play some video and collect points that way by watching the video. I mean, you do not need to actually watch the video, of course. Just let it play and you can maybe do something else. It's kind of like passive income. Now, in order to get started with Cash Pirate, all you need to do is either come over to cashpirate.mobi, so cashpirate.mobi, or go directly to App Store or Google Play Store, search for this app and install it onto your device. It's really easy to use and it's a great app. Hey, I'm sorry for interrupting, but if at any point you want to see how I personally make big money online, and I'm not talking about like a couple of thousands of dollars per month, but I'm actually talking about almost $500,000 just in the past year, then definitely hit the first link in the description down below and I will share with you step by step how I do that and step by step how you can replicate my success. So if you are interested in that, then definitely be sure to hit the first link in the description down below. If not, let's continue the video. The second way you can make money by playing video games online is by using the app called Big Time, or by going over to winr.com. So winr.com. And even though this one is not as good as Cash Pirate, it's in my opinion a lot more fun and there's a lot more money to be made with this one because you're playing games for tickets which you can then use to enter the draw. So kind of like lottery tickets, and every day you stand a good chance of winning some big cash prizes worth hundreds of dollars. Yep, you heard me right, hundreds of dollars if you win the draw. This one is also available for both iOS and Android, so you just need a smartphone device. Go to App Store or Google Play Store, install it, and start making money. Here you can see all of the games which you can play inside of the app, and they're not bad at all. They're not some worthless games. It's actually something that people normally play in their everyday life, except now you can get paid for doing that, so you don't have to feel guilty for playing games all the time. And if you scroll even further, you'll be able to see recent winners from all over the world. People from not only US, but from Chile, Brazil, India, Germany, and other countries are making thousands of dollars with this absolutely free app. So how amazing is that? You can install an app for absolutely free, play games, have fun, enter a draw, and win big money. And this is a pretty much new app, so it's just going to improve in the future, which means bigger cash prizes are coming up. But one thing I don't like about it is that it currently won't pay you through PayPal, so PayPal option is not yet available, but maybe it will come in the future. So that's just one thing I personally don't like. Still, it's a great app and you can withdraw your money via bank transfer and then spend it on anything you like. Shoes, food, clothes, gifts, or whatever you prefer. Once again, this is already winr.com and the app name is Big Time. Install it for free, play games, collect tickets, enter the draw, and win big prizes. And finally, the last way you can make money online by playing games. This is not an app, it's a lot different than previous two, so pay close attention. So it's nothing like Cash Pirate and it's nothing like Big Time. Pay close attention now. This is actually making money by leveraging this marketplace, which will allow you to earn a lot more money than previous two apps. So it won't be just peanuts, you can earn thousands of dollars, literally, and I'm gonna show that. And how this works, well, you play a game that can even be some of the most popular games in the world, like we spoken about at the beginning of this video. That can be like CSGO, Clash of Clans, Minecraft, League of Legends, and more. and this is over at the League of Trading. So this is actually a buy, sell, and trade marketplace where after playing some game for a while, you can come over at the leagueoftrading.com and list your account for sale. So maybe you like Minecraft, play it for a while. When it becomes boring, just come over to here and sell it for up to $10,000. And the great thing about this website is that it will be really easy to sell your account and collect profits, because all of the people visiting the place, visiting this specific place, are obviously here to specifically buy games accounts from gamers. And no, of course, you do not need to be a professional gamer to sell here. You just need to have a decent account if you want to sell it for some serious money. And this, of course, works all over the world. This is worldwide available, no matter which country you're coming from. Select any payment option you like: PayPal, credit card, bank transfer, Bitcoin, or anything you prefer. Just play games and sell them here. All you need to do is register to League of Trading, list your account for sale by clicking on the sell button, which you will see once you create an account on here. So once you register to League of Trading, you will be able to see the sell button, and then when someone buys it, you just send them your login details and you collect profits. It's as simple as that. You're ready to go after that. So those were the 3 ways you can make money online by playing video games for absolutely free. Let's summarize. You can either use Cash Pirate, so these 2 apps, Cash Pirate or Big Time, which won't pay you a lot, but they're still good and can be used on a phone, so you can just use them on your smartphone, or you can simply come to leagueoftrading.com and sell your accounts for thousands of dollars. Choose the one you like the most, or combine all of the 3, play games, have fun, and make money. No matter which one you choose, you will never have to feel guilty of playing games again. So feel free to spend hours and hours playing games, because you know that this will actually pay off. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got some value out of it. And if you did, don't forget to drop a like, leave a thumbs up, because it really means to me. It means a world to me when I see you guys leaving likes under my videos. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the new content. And of course, feel free to click on some of the boxes on the screen right now to see different ways you can make a lot more money online, not by playing games, but once again, for absolutely free. So I'll see you inside of those.